Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to BGS Technology. So it is come to us, and we sometimes we need to making a banner for wishing our friends and etc. So if you don't know that how you make Eid Mubarak poster banner, in this video I'll show you. So before the beginning, also if you remember in our channel, don't forget to subscribe and follow me. By the way, if you wanna download this background and PNG link, I'll mention the link in the description box. Now check it out it. And if you watch this video Facebook, now check it out my comment box. Okay, so let's see how you making banner and how you download. I mean how you making it, but I can't see you how you download this. Okay.
Okay guys, at first we need to change our photos background. That's why I using InShot apps. So you can use another apps, no problem. I click the photo icon and click the new icon, and I find my photo that which photo I wanna remove my background. Okay, so I finding. Okay guys, I got this photo and I select this photo. Okay, which photo you wanna remove your photos background? Okay, so I select this photo and now swipe the side and now click the cutout, and after the few seconds it will be removing your backgrounds. Just wait. Okay guys, my photos background has been removed. So to save this port, and after a few seconds this photo save into your gallery. Okay, just wait. Our whole work is complete and we're gonna pixel lab apps. Okay, so the lab apps. Okay, I select pixel lab, and if your phone has not installed these apps, you can download these apps from Google Play Store, or probably it's available to Google Apple Store. Probably you can search it. Okay, I click cancel because I use these apps before, and I click the A option and I delete this text. Okay, so and then I'm gonna click the background option to selecting new background. So and then I'm select the from gallery and I hit back here and I select here pixel lab because my files, I mean my photos is here, that's why. So I select it, my background, and I give this background link in the description box. Okay, you can download this background from my description box link if you follow it. Okay, so I click the right mark option and I click the shape option. I mark it, I don't know what's called it, and then I click the import option and I select this PNG, and I'll mention this PNG in the description box, and we're gonna swipe the side and click the relative size and now increase it 100%. Okay, and then now click here and then now click the layer option and lock it. Okay, and then tap the your screen, it's automatically deselected. Okay, click again import option and now select your photo, which photo you removing background, you removed background. Okay, so I select this. Just it's for just one example, I'm not uploading these photos like banner on another social media apps, that's why. Just and I click the right mark option and increase it. Just I select the right place and click the go to back. Okay, just it's gonna to back and I customize it where I wanna set it. Okay, so that's it, and now click the layer option and now click the lock. Okay, and then now click the again A option and now click the text, and now here is a new text is come and this I increase it. Okay, so and I'm gonna click the edit option and I remove it and give your name. So I give my name Bukhtiyar Garib. Okay, okay, this is my name and I give it here, and I'm gonna select a front and I select the front. So I select here default front. Okay, I will keep this font and I click the OK and decrease it because it's so long. Okay, I'm gonna change this color, that's why I'm click the color option and now select your color, choose your color, which color you wanna you want. Okay. Okay, I select this color and I'm gonna select here a stroke. It's there's a I click the stroke and enable it, and I select the black, I mean white. Okay, now click here. Okay, and if you want to give here your workplace or about tell here about something, so you can select the again text and edit. So I give here. Okay, I give my every things. Okay, and I click okay, and I swipe down, easy drag and drop here, and I'm gonna select a new font, and I select this font. Okay, and I decrease it, and I'm gonna change this color. Okay, I give here a different color, which color visible here perfectly. Okay, I give this color, but this font are not match this color, so that's why I select another font. Okay, so I select this font. It's really pretty, and this color are really perfectly set up here. Okay, so if you want to customize anything, so you can do it the save option and save as image, and select your format. So you can click the arrow icon and you can select it. Okay, you can you can change diminution. You can click the arrow icon and you can select it. So I give it ultra. Okay, I click save to gallery, and after some times it's saved into your gallery. So okay, my banner or poster has been saved into my gallery.
It was today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you wanna see more exciting video, don't forget to subscribe and follow me. So see you in the next video inshallah very soon. Assalamu alaikum.